Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English with the Little Masters. Today I am going to tell you about my daily routine. First, in the morning, one bright morning, we wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So we don't wake up by ourselves. Our mother wakes us up, and after waking up, we get my mother gets water, and we drink that water, and we go to freshen up, and after freshening up one by one, and there is only one bathroom in which the so after facing up, we study math so that we can improve math. My mother is not good at teaching math, so that's okay. Then anyone can teach math, but my mother is not good at math. Our father is good at math, so he teaches us. And today we also study with our father. And in the afternoon, after studying, we wash our face, and we are busy in eating food. We are busy in eating food, and in afternoon, you can see I am standing near papaya tree. You can see, and here a man comes, and he is doing something or the other, and he has taken a racket, cock and racket, and he has broken this cock and racket, and you can see now he is hiding with the papaya tree. It is not enough to hide with papaya tree. Hi, you Aman? Yes. You don't hide near the papaya tree. You can see.
You can see up side.
The papayas are getting ripe, and you can see I am standing near papayas. You can see
he is standing on the rock,
and you can see I am getting up. You will see, and I have get up and up, and it is signing up. What you can see this? It's a leaf. It's a leaf.
Again.